Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve very interesting Olympiad problem. 20 raised to power t plus 20 raised to power t equals 200. And you have to find the value of t. So we will start solving this question as, first of all, if a raised to power m plus a raised to power m, this will equal 2 into a raised to power m, because the coefficient of this is 1 and this is also 1. Similarly, we have 2 into 20 raised to power t, that equals 200. Now you can see 2 is multiplied here, it will be divided, so we get 20 raised to power t equals 200 divided by 2. So we have 20 raised to power t equals 100. Now question is, you have to find the value of t. For this purpose we will take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. What will happen? We got in the next step that this will equals t log of 20, because power is in the start, equals log of 100. Now you have to find the value of t. So this will equals log 100 divided by log of 20. Now we can write t equals log of 20 times 5 divided by log of 20. Now we will apply the product rule here of log, that equals log 20 plus log 5 divided by log of 20. Now we have t equals log 20 divided by log 20 plus log 5 divided by log 20. This and this are cancelled out, so t equals 1 plus log 5 by log 20. Now we will solve this further as, so we will apply the change base rule here to solve this further. What will happen to this? We got the value of t, that will equals 1 plus log base is 20 and 5. So this is the final answer. Now we will do the verification. So verify, substitute the value of t in the left hand side and got the right hand side. So we get 2 into 20 raised to power t means 1 plus log base is 20 and 5. We get 22 into 20 raised to power 1 into 20 log base is 20 and 5. When the base and this is same, it's mean that we will write this as power. So we got this equals 2 into 20 into 5. So this will become equal 200. It's mean our answer is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. This channel is the learning hub for A levels, O levels, IGCSE, GCSE, SAT, ACT, and many others Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch till the end. Stay tuned.